Hello friends. So today we are going to discuss about the canal faults, which is the important part of the canal. Generally, design of canal is basic things in the distribution system of canal. And what is the today we are discuss that we will discuss that what is the canal faults and what is the purpose to construct these structures, and how we can locate these structures in the different places of in canal. So first of all, what is the canal, what is the canal faults? So these are the structures constructed on a channel to lower down the water level and bed level of the canal. So if we want to lower the bed level of the canal, then we have to construct a falls, also known as drop. These are also known as drop. It is in combination of a water lowering structure and an energy dissipating device. So you can see the diagram of this canal fall. It is a rivers come from this side, and this is the upstream face of the river, and this is downstream FSL, full supply level of the river. This is the bed level, and below the bed level this wall to construct a fall is constructed here. So this overall structure is known as falls. These are various varieties. They have various varieties of falls according to the place and circumstances and use of the water at that place. So next one is purpose to construct fall. So to increase the velocity as discharge. What is this? The site for the fall in the case of main canal and branch from which no direct irrigation is done, in which place we have to construct this fall to increase the velocity of water or discharge at that place. So second point is, the main important function of this construction of fall is to generate energy or power. So when water falls in this structure towards this side to this side, then water get some kinetic energy. The potential energy convert into kinetic energy, through which the turbine combined along with this place in the canal get rotate, and hence we can generate the power and by moving the turbines. Third one is to maintain the slope of canal. To maintain the slope of canal means the canal falls are required when the natural slope of the ground along the channel alignment is steeper than the bed of the slope of the channel. So this is the purpose of construction fall. Then how we can decide that where it should be constructed falls? So location of fall we can designate like this. First one is from which no direct irrigation is done. So this is the important point about location of falls, in which the site for the fall, as far as possible, the canal should be kept in the balanced depth of cutting. If the fall is not provided, the canal would go in excessive filling. So this is the point. And the second point is FSL required. So the falls are located at the point where actual FSL of the canal is much greater than the FSL required. So this is the explanation of this point. Third point is the hydropower plant, where we have to generate the electricity. So in which place we have to use this structure known as falls. Fourth one is combining with cross regulator. Fourth point is this, that the location of a fall may also be decided from the consideration of the possibility of the combining it with a cross regulator. So this is the explanation of this point. And last one point is economy consideration. Means relative economy should be considered while deciding the number of falls and the drop in each fall. So these are the points about which on the basis of which we can decide where these falls should be constructed in the canal. So thank you.